Hello everyone, this is Karthik Selvaraj, and in this video 22 of Mule ESB tutorials we'll be seeing about two components. One is the scope component called pole and the other component is echo. So let me explain this flow. So we have a database component over here which polls a table called participants and it selects all the column details. So let me show you the table as well. So this is a table participant and currently we have only one record which has 4 columns, which has the name, age, country and email address details. So next we have a logger component. So let us make a message the poll has started. Okay. So next we have a echo component. I'll explain you when we execute this flow. Okay. Next we have a FTP output component. So the file that has been extracted from this database will be stored in this folder called output. Okay, so that's the structure of this flow. So now let me save it and I'll also show you the output folder. Currently there is no files in this output folder. So before executing, so I forgot to mention you the importance of this poll component. So if you see, this database component is inside this poll component. If I show you the configuration XML, you can see that the database connector is inside a component called poll. So what exactly the poll does is it will poll the source for a particular period of time. So you can see that you can provide the frequency. So in this example, this database is polled for every 30 seconds. So seconds is not only the measure that we have days and we have milliseconds, hours and minutes as well. So the longest being days and the least being the milliseconds. So in this example, the database will be polled for every 30 seconds. Okay. So now let me execute this component or application, sorry. So it has been deployed. So now you can see that there is a file over here as well which gives you the contents of the database. So we have the age, country, email address and name as well. Okay. So the next poll will happen exactly after 30 seconds. Okay. So in between I'll explain you can see that we had a message in the logger, the poll has started. After that we had a echo component. So that is responsible for displaying this message. So you have a message over here that tells you the message received in service and the flow name, and content is whatever we have in the content of this extract. So that is the purpose of having the echo component. If you want to echo the content of the payload, you can use an echo component. You can do the same using a logger component as well, in which you can have the payload information over here. So that is the purpose of using the echo. So if I go back to this folder, you can see that we have 3 polls which happened now. So this is the latest one, 1546. It has the same details. So now what I'll do is let me insert another one record into this database. So I'll have, so let's see, so let's insert another component. I'll execute this. So now we have 2 rows over here. So we have details of another person called Buran as well. So let's wait for the next poll. So the next poll should have the details of the other record as well. So we have the next poll. So you can see now we have 2 records over here. So this proves that the poller component is polling it actively for every 30 seconds. And that's all for this video. So I'll see with a different component in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.